Given the complexity of the ubiquitination and deubiquitination reactions inside the cells, it is important to establish in vitro assays with defined purified components. This helps to understand the mechanisms of ubiquitination and deubiquitination, and also to determine how mutations associated with genes that encode the enzymes responsible for this reaction can cause human disease. We can identify the domains and motifs in these components that drive these reactions. We can also develop high-throughput screening assays that can be used to screen for small molecule inhibitors that can be developed as potential therapeutics.
To begin bacteriolysis, add PMSF, an antiprotease cocktail, into the ice-cold lysis buffer A. Add 25 milliliters of the lysis buffer A into the bottle containing bacteria pellet and resuspend the pellet. Transfer the lysate containing bacteria in a tube for sonication. Use a probe sonicator to sonicate the lysate at 70% output amplitude for 30 seconds 4 to 5 times. Then, centrifuge at 21,000 times G for 20 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. After incubating the bacteria lysate with GSH beads for 5 hours according to the manuscript, transfer the beads along with 10 milliliters of buffer into an empty chromatography column. Then, add 1.5 milliliters of buffer A containing